So, good day everyone, this is Joshin. To start, summer is on board and swimming pool is one of the best places that people loves to go out and chill, especially on hot days. Like now, grabe ka init, uy, di madag electric pan, as in. But in connection to that, I chose a topic concerning about it. So I have here a summary report regarding a medical perspective on chloroform in your swimming pool. Have you gone to a swimming pool for sports, or a family outing, or a group outing with your friends, or a pool party at your friend's or relative's house? Well, I guess at least one of these examples gave you a memory of those wonderful experiences. Another thing is, have you heard or have you remembered that you should take a shower before going into the swimming pool, especially indoors? Or have you seen these signages in the places with swimming pool? Like makabantay ba ka ng mga giadtuan ni mga lugar ba nga naay swimming pool, mga outing-outing niyo with family nga naay ka nang dapat you should take a shower first, o nabay mo ingon ninyo with guidance, may nana ba? Well, maybe it sounds silly, but there may be a very good reason or very good concern why they are doing that sign or why they are giving you that advice. Newsflash! British researchers has identified suspected carcinogen chloroform and trihalomethanes in indoor pools in London. And to know how this ends that conclusion, let us first know the terms used. So when we say chloroform, it is a man-made byproduct formed when a chlorine is used to disinfect water. For example, like in swimming pool. So kabantay manggurutaan ng chlorine, like kaba manggurutaan ng chlorine samot na ng mga so especially to those people who loves to wash their own clothes. Samot na tong mama mangita din na siya. Asa man tong chlorine gang? Naon din ko niya kay kanang samot mga puti nga mga kanang kanina ngita gid na siya. So gigamit ni siya to kill germs or bacteria. Maong gitawag siya og disinfectant. It is not only used for swimming pools but also in drinking water. So the extent of poisoning caused by chlorine depends on the amount of chlorine person is exposed to. So maong kanang paggamit bitaw sa chlorine sa kanang pag-disinfect sa swimming pool is measured exactly or precisely. Okay, they do that to prevent dangerous effects that may affect people from, going into the swimming pool. So, in the past, chloroform is used as an anesthetic, but this is no longer the case because there are already safer alternatives. So, one reason for discontinuing the use of chloroform as an anesthetic is the determination by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services that chloroform is a potential carcinogen. So for example, katong rats and mice exposed to chloroform in their food and water develop liver and kidney cancers. On the other hand, we have here trihalomethanes, or also known as THMs. So these are the result of a reaction between the chlorine used for disinfecting tap water and natural organic matter found in the water. So basically, we are pertaining here the products of chemical reactions between chlorine used to disinfect the pool and the organic substances brought by swimmers themselves. So skin cells are shed to the pools along with lotions or any other body care products. Organic molecules from these substances are chlorinated to produce THMs or trihalomethanes. THMs are volatile compounds. In outdoor pool, they would evaporate and blow away by the breeze. However, in indoor pools, where there is less air circulation, THM tends to build higher concentrations in the air above the pool. So when harmful fumes are inhaled by swimmers, then the THM diffuse into their blood. How concerned should we be about these levels of THMs? Studies have shown that 1 hour swim can already increase the blood concentration of chloroform into 10 folds. So imagine how dangerous can it be. Some studies also suggested that miscarriages, birth defects, and low birth rate might be associated with human exposure to chloroform. However, as of today, researchers are having inconsistent results, and further research needs to be done before any conclusions can be reached. But for advanced and recommended ideas, THM should be lowered down or should be reduced while maintaining a high enough level of chlorine to control borne infection diseases in the water. While keeping water at cooler temperature and asking swimmers to take a shower before they go into the swimming pool are one of the effective procedures to reduce the production of harmful THMs or the toxic THMs. So, in other words, trihalometane concentration depends upon the total organic carbon, the number of swimmers, and the water temperature. For further understanding, I am going to provide the 4 THM which are identified by the Environmental Protection Agency and show its structure, which is as in the module. So we have here trichloromethane, or known as chloroform, bromodichloromethane, dibromochloromethane, and tribromomethane, or also known as bromoform rather. So we have here first is the trichloromethane, or also known as chloroform. So we have provided here the structure and also the 3D one. So basically trichloro, which means we have 3 halogens, 3 chlorine halogens. And the next one is bromodichloromethane. So these are colorless, non-flammable liquid, a byproduct whom chlorine or chlorine-containing chemicals are added to drinking water to kill bacteria. So we have here 2 chlorine and 1 bromine and the picture. This is its 3D structure, formula structure. Next is the dibromochloromethane. So we have 2 bromines accompanied with 1 chlorine. So the next one, or the last one, we have the tribromomethane or bromoform. So it has 3 bromine and is used in making chemicals, solvent for waxes, greases, and etc. So yes, we have here 3, tri from the word tri-bromine, 3 bromine. Comparison time. So, basing on the medical perspective, I would favor outdoor swimming pool rather than indoor swimming pool. Yes, the both pictures, it looks like they're having fun, especially on the left side because people are in every corner partying, and especially in the swimming pool, there are a lot of people as well. But since it is a closed area, and as how I explained the possible effects earlier, we can really compare that outdoor swimming pool are best or safer for everyone, because as you can see, they're also having fun and they are safer. On the other hand, always remember to take a shower before anything else if you are in the swimming pool, because it is a healthy recommendation. So that would be all. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye bye.